Hello and welcome to the history of castles. This is a comprehension tasks with follow-up questions for you to answer. So it gives you some historical basis on how and why the castles were built in the first place. So a long time ago, people used to live together in small huts and with wooden fences around them, so to protect them from wild animals and enemies. So when armies were taking over land, the kings and the rulers at the time realized that we need to create something a little bit more sturdy and strong for the armies not to invade certain lands. In order to do this, they decided to create castles. In the early days, castles were made from wood. So they were like wooden buildings and with forts, and at the same time they had security protection around them. Slowly over time, these wooden castles were converted into heavy stone castles, which had much more protection and they couldn't burn down, because with the wooden castles, the enemy could actually burn down the castles very easily because they were made from wood. Whereas a stone castle was not very easy to burn down. And these huge castles had moats with a drawbridge at the front of the castle, and they were covered with water. So, for example, if they were to draw back the bridge from the castle, the enemies had to cross the water to be able to get to the castle, and that was extra protection for them. So have a read of this particular topic in detail, at least minimum twice, and then answer the questions thereafter. And we'll follow up all the questions together and discuss this topic in more detail in our next class. Thank you.